He's still sucking his paw. This is what he does every day every time before he falls asleep. He sucks his paw and purrs. I don't know if you can hear him purring. You should be able to hear him sucking on his paw. Yep. I guess real babies suck their thumbs. And the little man sucks his paw. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute, little baby.